Road signs are one of the most important parts of road safety. They guide drivers, warn about dangers, and explain the rules of the road.
In this video, you will learn 50 of the most important traffic signs that every driver should know. If you are preparing for a driving test, or if you simply want to become a safer driver, this lesson will help you a lot. Let's begin. Warning signs.
The first sign is the dangerous curve to the right. This sign warns drivers that there is a sharp curve ahead. When you see this sign, you should reduce your speed and stay focused on the road. The second sign is the dangerous curve to the left. This sign tells drivers that the road will turn sharply to the left. Drivers should slow down before entering the curve. The third sign is the slippery road sign. This sign warns that the road may be wet or slippery. Drivers should avoid sudden braking and drive carefully. The fourth sign is the speed bump sign. This sign indicates that there is a bump in the road ahead. Drivers should reduce their speed to avoid damaging the vehicle. The fifth sign is the narrow road sign. This sign warns that the road will become narrower. Drivers should be careful when passing other vehicles. The sixth sign is the intersection ahead sign. This sign warns drivers that a road intersection is approaching. Drivers should slow down and prepare to yield if necessary. The seventh sign is the side road entering from the right. This sign indicates that another road joins from the right side. Drivers should watch for vehicles coming from that direction. The eighth sign is the side road entering from the left. This sign indicates that another road joins from the left side. Drivers should stay alert and observe traffic carefully. The ninth sign is the pedestrian crossing sign. This sign warns that pedestrians may cross the road in that area. Drivers should slow down and be ready to stop. The 10th sign is the school zone sign. This sign indicates that a school is nearby. Drivers must reduce speed because children may cross the road unexpectedly.
Prohibition signs. Now let's look at some prohibition signs. These signs tell drivers what they are not allowed to do.
The 11th sign is the no entry sign. This sign means that vehicles are not allowed to enter this road from that direction. The 12th sign is the no left turn sign. This sign indicates that drivers are not allowed to turn left at that point. The 13th sign is the no right turn sign. This sign tells drivers that turning right is not permitted. The 14th sign is the no U-turn sign. This sign indicates that making a U-turn in that area is prohibited. The 15th sign is the no parking sign. This sign means that parking vehicles in that location is not allowed. The 16th sign is the no stopping sign. This sign indicates that vehicles must not stop in that area, even for a short time. The 17th sign is the no overtaking sign. This sign tells drivers that passing other vehicles is not allowed. The 18th sign is the maximum speed limit sign. This sign indicates the highest speed that drivers are allowed to drive. The 19th sign is the minimum speed limit sign. This sign shows the minimum speed drivers must maintain on that road. The 20th sign is the No Bicycles sign. This sign indicates that bicycles are not allowed to use that road.
Mandatory signs.
Mandatory signs tell drivers what they must do. The 21st sign is the Turn Right sign. This sign tells drivers that they must turn right. The 22nd sign is the Turn Left sign. This sign indicates that drivers must turn left. The 23rd sign is the Go Straight sign. This sign tells drivers that they must continue straight ahead. The 24th sign is the Roundabout sign. This sign indicates that drivers are approaching a roundabout. The 25th sign is the Keep Right sign. This sign tells drivers to keep to the right side of an obstacle or divider. The 26th sign is the Keep Left sign. This sign tells drivers to keep to the left side of an obstacle or divider. The 27th sign is the Cycle Lane sign. This sign indicates that the lane is reserved for bicycles. The 28th sign is the Pedestrian Path sign. This sign shows that the path is reserved for pedestrians. The 29th sign is the Minimum Speed sign. This sign indicates the minimum speed required for that road. The 30th sign is the Direction Arrow sign. This sign shows the direction drivers must follow.
Information signs. Information signs help drivers by providing useful services and directions.
The 31st sign is the Parking sign. This sign indicates an area where parking is permitted. The 32nd sign is the Hospital sign. This sign shows that a hospital is nearby. The 33rd sign is the Gas Station sign. This sign indicates that a fuel station is nearby. The 34th sign is the Restaurant sign. This sign shows that a place to eat is available nearby. The 35th sign is the Hotel sign. This sign indicates accommodation is available. The 36th sign is the Bus Stop sign. This sign marks the location where buses stop to pick up passengers. The 37th sign is the Taxi Stand sign. This sign shows the area reserved for taxis. The 38th sign is the Rest Area sign. This sign indicates a place where drivers can stop and rest. The 39th sign is the Telephone sign. This sign indicates the availability of a public telephone. The 40th sign is the First Aid sign. This sign shows that medical assistance is available nearby.
Special warning signs. Now let's look at some additional warning signs that drivers must understand.
The 41st sign is the Road Works sign. This sign warns drivers that construction work is taking place on the road. The 42nd sign is the Two-Way Traffic sign. This sign indicates that traffic flows in both directions. The 43rd sign is the Falling Rocks sign. This sign warns that rocks may fall onto the road from nearby cliffs. The 44th sign is the animal crossing sign. This sign warns that animals may cross the road. The 45th sign is the railway crossing sign. This sign indicates that a railway crossing is ahead. The 46th sign is the traffic signal ahead sign. This sign warns drivers that traffic lights are ahead. The 47th sign is the steep hill sign. This sign warns drivers about a steep slope on the road. The 48th sign is the low-flying aircraft sign. This sign indicates that aircraft may fly low in that area. The 49th sign is the uneven road sign. This sign warns drivers that the road surface may be uneven. The 50th sign is the danger sign. This sign warns drivers about a general hazard ahead. Now listen. Understanding road signs is essential for safe and responsible driving. These signs help drivers avoid accidents, follow traffic laws, and navigate roads safely. If you are preparing for a driving test, make sure you study and remember these signs carefully. The more familiar you are with traffic signs, the more confident and safer you will be on the road.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if this was helpful. Like, share, and drive safely.